I run a location intelligence platform company, Atoll Solutions. We solve problems of identifying where is it and how is it in different verticals of, for example, hospitals, infrastructure, and factories, all the places. This is my first time. I was pleasantly surprised in terms of the speakers as well as people who are listening. It is an amazing combination. Wireless is everywhere now. If you look at everywhere, from short distance wireless to 6G, everything is wireless now, and even wireless power is coming. That level, if you look at it, wireless is an absolute necessity for anybody who is doing engineering. Yeah, it is very important because if you look at a undergraduation is preparing you to do different things. You cannot predict what is going to come from the market, but what happens is that if you can do in a high speed way to understand what market is looking for and have continuous interaction with the industry, this is an amazing way of learning. You should have the basics, and the most important thing is that by first year or second year you should be able to understand that do you really love it. Okay, this is your life. Okay, this is your life. If you don't love something, you take another path. That you have to identify. This kind of a learning is very good for that. You will know in the first year itself, are you loving this? After that, everything else is immaterial. If you look at the AI has taken every sound bites of our industry now, but what happens is that AI is nothing without real data. Okay, in many places the biggest lack of data is the biggest problem. What we do is that whatever you're learning in terms of wireless sensors, all of them are creating meaningful data where you can create insights and action using AI.